Namaste yogis, welcome to Utsav Yoga YouTube channel. I am Utkarsh and in this video I am going to show you two best postures for your sciatic pain. So the first posture is our Bhujanga Asana and our second posture is your child's pose. So how to do the first one? Let me show you. So in this one we'll start with our lying down position. You're lying down with your abdomen side. Lie down like this. And we'll go for your lower Bhujangasana first. So for this one, bring your palms just beside to your head like this. Your elbows are like totally close to your side ribs and your head down to your mat. Whenever you're ready, you're free to lift your head up slowly and gently. If you want, you can bring your elbows quite close to each other like this. Make sure your elbows just beneath to your shoulders like this and your palm facing downside. You're looking up, or you can relax your neck like this and have some deep breaths in. You're going to hold this position for like 20 to 25 seconds. You can close your eyes if you want and have some long inhalations and exhalations over here. Bring your whole focus towards your breath. (15 or 10 more seconds). And you're done. Release and relax. You're free to relax your elbows and bring your head or your side face down to your mat. Relaxing over here. Getting ready for your second time. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Again, just try to bring your palms just beside to your head, elbows just beside to your chest, and whenever you're ready, in 3, 2, 1, lift up. Again, if you want to readjust your elbows, you are free to readjust your palms totally down like this and look up. If possible, just try to go for a little bit more arch than before and look forward, or you can relax your neck. Again, you're focusing on your breath. You can close your eyes if you want. Ten more seconds to go. And release and relax. You are free to make a pillow with your palms and bring your head to that pillow. Okay, now from here, we'll go for your full Bhujangasana. So for this one, bring your palms just beside to your chest like this. Your toes are tucked in, or maybe you can relax your toes. And whenever you're ready, you're free to lift your chest up like this. Your shoulders relaxed, elbows just beside to your chest, just beside to your side ribs. And you're looking forward. Maybe you can straighten your elbows, but make sure not lifting your thighs up and you're coming up. Your thighs totally down to your mat. Your pelvic totally down to your mat. And you're looking forward and breathe for 8, your 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release and relax. Again, making a pillow with your palms and bring your head to that pillow. Relaxing a bit. Taking your time, making your body ready for your second round of this. Second round of your full Bhujangasana. In 3, 2, 1. Whenever you're ready, you're free to bring your palms just beside to your chest. We'll go for your second round and last round of your Bhujangasana. In 3, 2, 1. Lifting your chest up, shoulders relaxed, elbows just beside your side ribs. And breathe. This is one of the best posture for sciatica. Sciatica happens more with the office workers. So this one is like super relaxing for them. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release and relax. Again, making a pillow with your palms and bring your hat to that pillow. Relax and release. And slowly bring the awareness back and bring your body up. Bring your hands like just beside your chest and bring it up. Again, now from here, your second pose. Your second pose is your child's pose. So for this one, have a look. Your knees separate more than your shoulder level, like this. Your toes together, and you're looking forward. Your spine should be straight and strong. Bring your hands all the way up. Lengthen your spine, straight your spine. And with that exhalation, fold forward and try to bring your palms down to your mat. Bring your palms forward like this and try to bring your head down to your mat. Lengthen your spine as good as possible and release and relax. Make sure you're totally sitting back on your heels in this one. Again, having some long inhalations and exhalations over here and relaxing and releasing. You have enough gap in between your legs, so you're free to inhale and exhale deep in this position. Staying in this position for like 25 or 30 seconds. You can repeat these position for like 4 or 5 times with some rest in between. Now slowly walk back with your palms, free to come back up, your knees together, and relax and release. That's all for now. So these are the 2 best poses for your sciatic pain. Give this one a very good try. And one more thing, make sure you do like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Till then, take care, stay safe, namaste.